What's up, guys? I've got this great recumbent bike here. I actually built this thing myself. Very easy to put together, very clear instructions. It's a super simple design. The first thing I want to show before we get started is right here. These handles even allow you to check your heart rate. So you'll see up on the screen there, it's already starting to show up. And it's kind of starting to get a read. It'll take a little bit to actually figure out where I'm at. Seems like it's kind of dialing it in right now. So we're right in the low hundreds kind of area. So you got that. You can always check your heart rate. That's great. You also have handles here. Also, this is going to be where you adjust the resistance. You can see you've got low to high, and we're on a low setting right now. But all I have to do is crank over, and I can go all the way up to, I think the highest is 8. And you can see it's just gotten a lot harder for me. Other things, you have different modes you can run through here on the screen. So you can see what your time is. You can see your speed. You can see distance. You can see calories burned. And you can see how far you've gone. Or you can actually run through the scan setting where it's going to keep revolving, showing you all those things at, so you can actually not touch it. It'll just kind of run through the settings as you're going. The backrest is very nice. As you can see, it's got a nice mesh padding to it, so it's very comfortable. You also have wheels on the front. So if you do need to move it at all, very simple and easy to move. You just lift it and it'll roll. So a very lightweight bike. You can even see, I'll show you right here. I can pick it up myself. So I think this is a great piece. Everybody needs to be more active. You can see the lock for the seat. This actually slides back all the way, forward all the way. All you do is when you get to the place you want, you just press it forward to lock it in place. And dude, a nice little recumbent bike. Highly recommend.